Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 869, and today's topic is the heat treatment and classification of steel. As I have already told you that in determining the characteristic, quality, hardness, strength of steel, even malleability, ductility is determined by the percentage of carbon and heat treatment. Heat treatment is done when the percentage of carbon is high in steel, then the steel will be very tough, hard. So in order to make it little bit modified, we have to cool and hammer and heat it, cool it and heat it. So it is known as cooling and heating of the steel to modify its physical property is known as heat treatment of steel. And heat treatment of steel is given to those steels which are having high percentage of carbon. And steel is classified again on the basis of percentage of carbon. One carbon may be that is your high carbon steel, then medium carbon steel, then mild carbon steel. Mild carbon steel means there the percentage of carbon may be from 0.15 to 0.30 carbon. In the case of medium class, there the percentage of carbon may vary from 0.30 to 0.80%, and that is a medium class carbon steel. And in the case of high class carbon steel, it may go from 0.80 to 1.5% carbon. So once the carbon percentage in any steel is more than 1.5, it means it is known as high carbon steel. So heat treatment and classification of steel. Number one, what is heat treatment of steel? The extreme hardness of high carbon steel. The extreme hardness of steel is only because of high percentage of carbon content. Steel can be modified the process known as heat treatment of steel, and it is the process in which steel is heated and cooled under carefully controlled conditions in such a manner that the physical properties of the steel are modified without any change in chemical properties. So heat treatment of steel is done only to modify the hardness, that is the physical property of steel, without change in its chemical property. That is called heat treatment of steel. Number two, the classification of steel. Classification of steel, I have already told you, is classified on the basis of percentage of carbon. So the classification of steel depend upon the carbon content. Steels are classified as A, mild steel, means very low carbon content. Then medium steel means that is moderate, little bit higher. And then next one, that is high carbon steel, means the percentage of carbon is high. So A, mild carbon steel. In mild steel, the carbon content varies from 0.15 to 0.30%, and this type of steel is also known as soft steel or low carbon steel. So B is medium carbon steel, where the percentage of carbon varies from 0.30 to 0.80%. So the medium carbon steel, in medium carbon steels, the carbon content varies from 0.30 to 0.80%, and these steels are tougher and harder than mild steels and highly resistant to shock. They are easily weldable and have better strength of about 50 kg per millimeter square than mild steel. They can also be hardened up to some extent. The next one is high carbon steel. In the case of high carbon steel, the percentage of carbon content goes from 0.80 to 1.5%. In high carbon steels, the carbon content varies from 0.80 to 1.50%. High carbon steels containing more than 1% carbon are generally known as cast steels or carbon tool steels. So in any steel where the percentage of carbon is more than 1, then it is called cast steel or carbon tool steels. They are granular structure and can be permanently magnetized. We can convert it into permanent magnet, and they are quite hard and have a strength of about 65 kg per millimeter, and which is more than those of mild steel and medium carbon steel. With the increase in the carbon content, their hardness as well as strength of this steel increases, but their ductility means to draw into wire. So their ductility and weldability, where we can weld easily, is decreases. So with this increase in the carbon content percentage, its ductility and weldability will be decreased. These steels can be hardened as well as tempered easily. They can withstand shock and vibration better than mild and low carbon steel. They are also resistant to wear and tear. So with this, the classification and heat treatment of steel is over. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.